हेलो बच्चों, जल्दी 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 ज्वाइन फास्ट। चलो एवरीबॉडी, हाय सोम। चलो लेट्स हैव अ डिस्कशन। चलो, हाउ मच रैंक यू वांट टू स्कोर ब्रो? Lohit, how much rank you want to score? I'll tell you the marks for that. Chalo, listen to this. Let everybody come. I want to give tell you something. Join fast, everybody. Just call. Where is Ganit's Sandesh? I've checked the WhatsApp, Som. I'll tell you about that also. Below 10K, 100, 110 below. टॉप फोर कॉलेज में सीएससी, टॉप फोर कॉलेज में सीसी मतलब 1000 बिलो। पास स्टूडेंट्स, हाय मैम, ज्वाइन फास्ट स्टूडेंट, ज्वाइन फास्ट। टुडे वी गॉट डिलेड, नो इश्यूज। वी हैव टू टॉक अ लॉट फर्स्ट। Join fast. 5 minutes will start. We'll talk about how the situation, next thing, how to prepare, and how to keep the mindset for the next 8 days. Chalo. Sir, the thumbnail is wrong. Thumbnail, I haven't put up the thumbnail, but okay. Which one wrong, Amaya? I haven't put the thumbnail in this. Which one? Swapnil RV is damn good. Ma'am, which some thumbnail is wrong? Hi, Sandesh. Just 1 minute. This is also coming. Half moon. Give me just 1 minute. We'll start. Be ready, everybody. Long class it will go. Okay, आ जाओ जल्दी. Hi, ma'am. हेलो हेलो हेलो, चलो आधा चांद भी आ गया। नहीं आया आधा चांद। मैं भी सेलिब्रेटिंग बर्थडे आधा चांद। चलो, सो फर्स्ट, हाय एवरीवन। First, understand the very important thing before studies. What comes is your mindset. So, mindset is very important, students. If you all have watched the movie, okay, Super 30, what you have learned from that is right now, as a student, you have nothing to lose. Okay, there's nothing you can lose. So, why are you all so worried? What will happen in the result? What is rank versus marks? How much I'll do? How much I'll get? Why? That is just a waste of time. Don't go into all that. Watching videos like, what do you say, how much, this much marks I'll get, this much rank I'll get, imagining in mind, I'll get into this college, okay, I'll be there. Nothing. You don't know how much, how the question paper will come. You don't know how much you will be able to write, and you don't know which college you'll be getting it. So, right now, it's the time for you to go on the field and work. It's the time you right now you are going and preparing for the war. So just prepare it. After the exam is done, then think about all that. Right now, it's not the time, student, to waste on all that. Rank versus marks, what will happen, top 4 college, top 5 college. There's no point. Right now, what is important? If I have energy, can I study? Yes. Can I understand the concept? Yes. Can I apply it to the questions what is being asked? Yes. That is the most important. Each and every second, if you're wasting on something else, then you will be crying at the later stage. Right now, if you have 1 extra second, devote one more question. 1 extra second, revise one more concept. 1 extra second, revise one more concept. So that is the most important thing, because this revision only will be retained for your exam. If you have watched 1,000 videos of rank versus marks, will it help a little bit also in the exam? Tell me once. Or by thinking or by asking, will it help a little once also? Will it help you all? By knowing that, okay, by 1,000 rank, I'm telling, let's say if you score a rank below 100, you can get all colleges. Will it help? What I'm getting right now, I don't know, no? Then what's the point in that? Once I've done my effort, because what will happen, you will be frustrated, demotivated. Don't do all that. Right now, my target is at least whatever I'm studying, 2 times I should revise. If I'm my target is, best target is 2 times revision. If not, at least 1 time. If not, at least one go. And that too, I have to go very thoroughly, so that whatever I'm understanding, I can put it up in the paper. Clear? Clear? So that is one thing you need to do, students. Okay. Instead of going here, there, thinking about here, there, okay, or anything else, your target is what? Your target should be what? Your target should be that how I can score more better, how I can improve my knowledge, I can attempt the paper more better. Each and every second, if you're giving on that, student, I can give you a guarantee. Whatever rank right now you are, in that next 7 days, you'll be able to do a much better boost. Much better boost. Clear? So right now, everybody, whatever the energy you'll have, because see, you will be tired because you are studying. Let's say you have a habit of studying 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. Now you are studying 8 hours to 9 hours, 10 hours. So brain will be like worn out. After that, you just give a break, a small break, sleep off, half an hour, 1 hour, again study, change the subject, again study, figure out which topic is weak, and if the what is a priority of that topic is high, I have to finish it, and if I have finished, I have to revise it. Clear? You have nothing to lose, student, right now. But if you're not working hard, you will definitely lose these 7 to 8 days. And for those who haven't studied before, do not cry on spilt milk. It is done. If you have wasted a year or 2 year, done. But why waste again next 7 days? I got the point. That time online was there, COVID was there, lot of things. Don't go into the issue. What is the solution? Right now, these 7 days, even if I'm, see, in my college days, what I used to think, let's say in engineering, sometimes we used to start very late. 7 days left and we haven't touched the books. So what I used to think is, okay, chalo, let's say I have 3 to 4 days also. I have to finish a book of 600 pages. Okay, what is my target right now? If I sit in the exam, I'll fail. Definitely. Now my target is what? Even now, if I study for 4 days, how much better I can do? Instead of going in the backward side, think on the front side. How much better I can do from if I'm studying from today till the end of the day. So if I'm studying from today till the end of the exam day, how much better I can do? The moment you start thinking that, your whole thinking process, your whole day will start changing. Because per day you'll be thinking, oh, today I learned something new, I can improve by 2 marks. Today I learned something new, I can improve by 3 marks. So that will be an added bonus, okay? Rather than just sitting, okay, if I would have studied like last 6 months, no, I'd have time, I would have done much better. Why to think on that? That is gone. Can you go into the past and do it? No. You cannot go into the past and change. So why to think about? It's already done deal. So right now, what's your target is? I have to finish one go and I have to revise. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Yeah, now only you have become engineers. We are engineers by mind, birth, whatever it is, doesn't matter. Okay. So right now the point of time is I have less time, and even in engineering also I told a lot of times I do share this story with all of my friends, all of my students also, that a lot I've seen a lot of kids who in the last 3 4 days also they do wonders. In 7 days also they do wonders. But their only thing is they think about those 7 days, what to do, what not to do, how much I can do about in that, how much more questions I can do, how can I practice a test. They don't think backward. Why are you all going backward? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Forget about whatever is done, it's already done. Now, what you have the next 7 days, take charge each and every second. Make sure that you're getting something profit out of that. Clear everyone? Chalo. So today we'll be doing the chapter ray optics. Okay. Just take 1 minute of time, close your eyes, think about what and which way you want to go for the next 7 days. Okay. And get it done. Chalo. I'll give 1 minute to all of you. Think whatever you want to do, plan it, work plan. Don't plan for the result. Result is not in our hands. Plan for the work. How much hours you'll be putting? That is the question you need to ask. How much hours you'll be putting? How much concept you'll be revising? How many times you'll be revising? Forget about I'll score a rank 300. I'll score a rank. No. What is the number of efforts you are able to put up? There you put it. So you won't be frustrated because every day you will see today I put 15 hours. Tomorrow I'll put 15 and a half hours. Day after tomorrow I'll put 16 hours. So you'll be happy. You won't be like, oh, result I'll get, what I'll not get. That is a waste of time. Clear everyone? 1 minute, take a silence, think about how much you want to study today, tomorrow, day after, in the next 7 days, and which way, and then we'll start. Chalo. और रिवीजन सीरीज में सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, ठीक है, पीवाईक्यूज आपके। और पीवाईक्यूज के साथ जस्ट कंसेप्ट का आपको आज अपलोड कर देंगे, ठीक है। कंसेप्ट का सारा फाइल आपके पास ऑलरेडी रहेगा, उसको प्रिंट आउट करा लेना बच्चों आप, ठीक है। तो उसको सारा सामने रखना, मैं जस्ट बोलूँगा ये वाला फॉर्मूला आप चेक कर लेना, ये वाला फास्ट करके, ठीक है। पर क्वेश्चन 30 सेकेंड्स 45 सेकेंड्स मैक्स, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं। और क्वेश्चन सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्वेश्चन रिविजन होगा, ठीक है। हर चैप्टर का, जैसे ऑप्टिक्स लिया हमने 30 क्वेश्चन से 1 घंटा निकाल दिया। वेव ऑप्टिक्स लिया 30 क्वेश्चन 1 डन। और क्या बोलते हैं, मॉडर्न फिजिक्स लिया 10 क्वेश्चन 20 क्वेश्चन 45 मिनट्स डन, ठीक है। 10 मिनट्स आप लोगों को दूंगा चैप्टर को रिवाइज करने के लिए। सो फॉर्मूला सेट्स, नोट्स जिनके जो भी हैं, if you have notes, if you have revision notes, if you have formula sets, keep that there with you. I'll tell you revise. Otherwise, from my side also, I'll upload it in the, by tonight only I'll upload in the website, what is the app, it will be open, okay. And you can just go in the free study material, the notes will be there, you can just print it out, and then and there you can start, or you can write it down, the important formulas, no need to go through all that much, just important formulas which is needed, that's it. ठीक है, चलो कॉन्सेप्ट वीडियो भी कुछ कुछ लगभग ओपन हो जाएगा ऐप में, ठीक है, चलो। Done. So everybody ready for ray optics? Ready for ray optics? Chalo. So we'll start now, students. Ray optics. Very first, understand the weightage of this chapter for CT and for Comet K is immense. Okay. So weightage for ray optics is very good. Weightage for wave also is good. So these two chapters, that's why I'm taking it properly. Don't go in a hurry. Understand everything. I won't explain the, what do you call it, as that much of time we don't have. I won't be explaining you the, what do you say, derivations. We are not doing CBSE class, so I won't be explaining as of now. So I'll just give you this formula, where to use, why to use. That's it. Clear? And you need to apply that on the questions. So more will focus on question practice. Clear, everyone? Chalo. One second. Just give me 1 second, student. And everybody, small request to you all, do share it with all your friends, okay, whichever way you are able to, so that for the next series 11 to 15 for the revision series, everybody is able to join, okay. Sure. Now we all have read ray optics a bit in 10th part, reflection, refraction, and then few year earlier it was in 11th, now in 12th part, okay. So let's see what is there, what were the things which are important, and from CET and Comet K point of view, what are the things they target, okay. So everybody is able to hear and see properly. Just check it once. There is no lag, because today we were facing a lot of internet issues, okay. So that's why there was a delay in the class and everything. So I don't want that delay to be there, okay. चलो, first we'll talk about reflection. Very simple, very easy. Everybody knows what is reflection. Define reflection. Very simple, simple. Just basic understanding. No very heavy words and all. Basic understanding. Just tell me, where is our Kartike? What do you mean by reflection, kids? Very simple. Just say it to the point and fast. Anybody reflection part? Very simple question I asked. So reflection is very simple, bouncing back of light after striking a hard surface. Okay, clear? So whenever light is hitting some hard surface or a reflecting surface, it just goes back. Okay. Now in reflection part, what is the first part they ask questions? What is the first part where they're asked questions? Is the number of images formed. And in reflection part, they'll talk about plane mirror. Plane mirror. Now laws of reflection, everybody knows. Correct. Laws of reflection, you all know. Correct. Laws of reflection, angle I equal to angle R, everybody knows. And incident ray, normal and reflected ray, all lie in same plane. Clear? This is all we know. After that, let's come to the plane mirror. So plane mirror, one formula, they keep asking. Number of images. So everybody write down number of images formed So what you have done is two plane mirror you have taken like this at an angle theta. Now you're putting it. So they're asking how many number of images formed. So that is n is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. If this one is if 360 by theta is even, and that is equal to 360 by theta if it is odd. Clear? The number of images formed, they'll ask two plane mirrors, you have kept it like this. If I'm putting an object here, how many image I can form? Because see, once it will be reflected by this mirror, okay, that reflection again, what do you say, image will be here. For this image, again for this plane mirror will have somewhere here. So we won't go into that details, but this formula we need to know. This formula we need to know. Write down everybody fast. Let's see next. One question comes very simple. What is it? They'll give you a mirror and they'll tell you one car is coming at a speed of, let's say, 10 meter per second. Mirror is not moving. How fast the image will move? How fast the image will move? Tell me the answer, everybody. My diagram of car is bad, huh? Do not go into that. Tell me the answer of this. Think and tell me, everybody. If you are an observer here, a car is coming and a mirror is there from this side, how fast will see this car going? Think and tell me. What about others? Do tell your answers, right, wrong. So, if a person is standing outside and in the mirror is seeing, he'll see it at the same speed, correct? 10 meter per second. Because in 1 meter, in 1 second, if it moved 10 meter, image also in 1 second it will move 10 meter. Now the question changes. Now we thought Soham is becoming Picasso. We should not allow him to become Picasso. So what we did, we took Soham into the car and now we're asking him, tell us now what will happen. So here Soham is sitting. Okay. And this side is going. This is the image of Soham and the car. So now how fast will Soham see this car approaching this? It is going at a speed of 5 meter per second. Now how fast it will see the image moving here? Tell everybody, let's see. At what rate will Soham see that the other car is coming? What is the issue you're having, Saloni ma'am? CT or COMEDK, which admit card you're downloading? After the class, give a call or what do you say? Team people, they'll guide you. Don't worry. Five meter per second. Let's see. Others. Chalo everybody. See the PYQs, if you're learning the concept is important, it will help you a lot. If you're just mugging up the question, it won't help. The ratio is 40 marks, almost around 40 to 45 from what is it 12th, and 15 marks around to 20 marks from 11th. So now let me tell you, there is a word called relative motion. Relative motion. Now what will happen? Our swarms are moved in 1 second 5 meter, and this car also in 1 second moved 5 meter. So in the next second, swarms are will see that they are 10 meter less close. Okay, 10 meter more close. So what will be the speed of this car? In case of relative motion, what we do when he is watching from here, we stop this car and its speed we give it to the other car in opposite direction. So the moment we stop this car, if Soham is sitting in this car, we stop this car, its speed we give it to the other one. It will be 5. Already it has 5 I have given. So it will be coming at a rate of 10 meter per second. Now you can understand. Now you can understand like this also. Like in 1 second, Soham sir's car moved this side 5 meter, and this car in that same second moved 5 meter. So after that 1 second gap, how much distance they both covered? 10 meter. So you'll see that per second, that 10 meter distance are being covered. So you'll see that the distance, what is the speed of the car is 10 meter per second. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Samiksha ma'am, Pavitra ma'am, Saloni ma'am, Soham, Nishat, Danish. Did you all get it? Just imagine that per second what will be the difference. Soham went from this side x-axis 5 meter, and that car, the image also moved 5 meter. So after that 1 second, 5 meter from this side, 5 meter from this side, 10 meter distance covered. Clear? Come on public, yes, no, fast. Chalo everybody, good. Everybody got it. The concept simple. Now let's see. Let's see one more condition. The second condition. In this condition we made, okay, why always Soham only will move? Okay, so this time Soham sir is standing here. Correct. Soham sir is stationary. And we made the mirror move. Somebody is taking the mirror and they're moving it. So the mirror is moving at a rate of 5 meter per second. So how fast he will see the image moving? How fast will see the image of Soham sir moving? Tell me everybody. Let's see who can guess it. Hi bro. Busy with birthday party? Come on everybody, a very simple and easy question. The question says that a student named Soham is standing and thinking about future, and let's say there is a big mirror, what is it, near the RV college, RVC, and some people, they're moving that mirror at a speed of 5 meter per second, and this side he is seeing the college is there. So how fast he is seeing the image moving forward from him, how fast or how slow the image, or what is the speed of the image. And wrong, people, students, do not hesitate, okay, but participation is important. Right and wrong, we don't worry, your concept will be clarified, okay. So write more and more. If you're doing wrong also, do write on the chat part, okay. Chalo, two people said, Sandesh said whatever happens, I'll, what do you say, support Soham, so he gave 5. What about others? You are in support of Soham or against him? Chalo, plane mirrors have same UNV. Plane mirrors have same UNV. Okay. No, 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 bro. See, understand simple situation. See, what happens? Our Soham brother is just standing and thinking about future. Okay, and here is the gate of RVC made with mirror. And they're moving the gate with 5 meter per second. So let's say for timing, this distance is what? 20. So if the mirror was not moving, so he would have seen himself here at 20. No issues. Soham image, the Atma of Soham. Atma is more proper. Chalo. Clear? So, yes or no, everybody agrees that if this mirror would not be moving, if this mirror was not moving, then Soham would have seen himself like what? Image would have been 20 meter away. 20 meter away. Now suddenly what will happen? In 1 second, next 1 second, the mirror is moving. It will move 5 meter. So now the mirror will be here. In that 1 second, it will move 5 meter. So mirror will be here. So the distance between Soham and this mirror will be what? 25. So from this mirror, 25 meter away, the image will be formed. So between Soham and this image here, the new image here, how much is the distance? 50. Earlier that it was 40. So how much is the change? 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Clear? Clear? Chalo. Got it, everybody? समझ आ रहा है बच्चों? That the speed of the image will be 10 meter per second, double. Got it, Soham? Got it, others? Yes, no? Gokul, Samiksha, Pavitra. Got it, everyone? Acha, got it? So break it and understand. No, why are you all getting confused? Per second you give the speed. That in 1 second how much Soham will go, how much mirror will go. So image will be formed like that. Think like that. All JEE questions we used to solve like this. Damn simple. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Chalo, good. And do honestly say, huh? If you're not understanding, say no. I know it will pain a bit to me, but I'll take it. I'll again explain. Chalo. फिजिक्स में बहुत सारे अच्छे लेसन है सारे ही, बट क्या है कि टाइम बहुत कम है, नहीं तो बहुत गर्दा तरह से आप लोगों को पढ़ाता, बट चलो अभी टाइम नहीं है ज़्यादा, ठीक है. चलो लेट्स सी for the next session with lot of experiments from bullet going to animations will come, don't worry. Let's see everybody, the next part, this time will make everybody move. Soham ki Atma, everybody will make it move. So here we have the mirror going at a speed of 5 meter per second. We have Soham sir also going at a speed of 5 meter per second. It's like a bhagam bhag situation. And we have the Atma of Soham also going at a speed of 5 meter per second. Now everybody tell me, let's see. Now everybody tell me what will be the answer. what will be the answer? We can't one second. We can't make these two. We are making it move. Atma will just figure it out. How fast the Atma will move. We know Soham is moving. We know mirror is moving. Now you have to tell me, decode it and tell me how fast the Atma will move. Okay. Sandesh is like too fast. Haha. Take your time. No need to be in a hurry. Okay. After this, we have simple concepts. करेक्ट आंसर दो, शुभम की आत्मा को शांति मिलने में जरूर मदद मिलेगी. So everybody try to give correct answer. At least we can find a bit of peace and solace for Soham's Atma, okay? एक अच्छे PYQ कर लेंगे सोहम की आत्मा की शांति के लिए. ठीक है, चलो जल्दी से कर लो क्वेश्चन ये वाला. 50-20 गुड गुड, पीपल रेस्पॉन्डिंग गुड. हाय रतन, हाय यूसुफ. चलो लेट्स सी द आंसर. लेट्स सी. चलो लेट्स सी. Now everybody concentrate. Now focus here everybody. So what we have here is, now whenever this kind of complicated question comes, you make it simple. What do? You make it simple. How? You use the word called relative motion. Now in that relative motion concept, what do? You make Soham stop. You make Soham stationary. So what will happen? In this case, what will happen? See, everybody understand very carefully. In 1 second, Soham moved 5. Mirror also moved 5. So let's say this distance was 20. Same example I'm taking. Now, what will happen? In that 1 second, when you have measured this was 20, image would have been here made 20. Okay. But in the next second, Soham moved 5. So the moment Soham moved 5, now with the mirror, how much is the distance? 15. Clear? 15. Now, but what happened? Mirror also moved 5. So now again, how much is the distance? 20. So the image will be what? At 20 from here. Clear? So what we will get, students? Same. Means whatever the distance we have here, same distance, because they are moving both same. It is moving 5. This is also moving 5. So what is happening? There is no change in Soham's Atma. There is no change in the part of Soham's Atma. Correct? Let's see once again how you can do it. This is the mirror part. If I'm doing with the relative velocity, mirror was going with a speed of 5. Soham was going with a speed of 5. Now let's stop one of them. So let's say if I'm stopping the mirror, which one you want to stop? Stop the mirror or stop Soham? So if I'm stopping Soham, making its velocity 0, I'll put the mirror, same thing. What? Opposite side, the same velocity I'll put to the mirror in opposite side. So what will happen? 5 in the front, 5 in the back. So the mirror will also stop. The mirror will also stop. You can understand like this also. The Som ki Atma will be there and only. He can't go anywhere. The Atma will be fed up. Though mirror is moving, Som is moving, but my Atma can't move. Correct? Because why? Because see, two cars are moving. Two cars are moving. One and one. It is going by 10 meter per second. The other is also going, let's say here, going by 10 meter per second. So what will happen? What will happen? The people who are sitting here, they'll see, oh, we are going in same. There is no movement among us. Both they are going 10-10. Correct. But what the person here who is driving and the person here who is driving will see, oh, we are stationary. Correct. With respect to each other, there is no change. If in 1 second he covered 10, then other second he also covered 10. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Since mirror moved 5, it created more distance. Som also moved 5. So again back to same distance. Clear? Got it everyone, or a bit difficulty? So there will be no change in Som's Atma. Clear everyone? समझ आया बच्चों? Any doubt anybody has? Clear, clear, clear. Chalo. Next, write down a note. Very important. Write down a note. Not 2000 rupee note, just a note. Like plane mirror. You take a plane mirror and rotate by angle theta. Then what will happen? Reflected ray rotates by 2 theta. Clear? If you have a plane mirror and you rotate it by angle theta, so let's say this is my incident ray, normal, reflected ray. If I rotate it by theta, so now the reflected ray will be rotated by 2 theta. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? छोड़ दो मेरी आत्मा को. आत्मा छोड़ने के लिए तांत्रिक को बुलाना होगा. चलो. Got it everybody? Now for plane mirror, some more characteristics you need to know. Power of the plane mirror is what, Laddu? Because whatever you give, same thing it shows, no magnification, nothing. Focal length of the plane mirror is infinity. Radius of curvature also infinity. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? These points are important. Just do write it down fast. चलो बच्चों जल्दी 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 everybody fast. If anybody has any doubt, do tell me. Tell me. चलो. Hi Manoj. तांत्रिक व्यस्त है. What happens on this? See, P is equal to 1 by F. So 1 by F is infinity. So power is equal to what? 0, no? Chalo. Done everybody? Done everybody? Can we go on to the next page? Chalo, let's see. Let's see next. Now coming to spherical mirror. Done with plane. Now coming to spherical mirror. Now few formulas you all remember, and this all I won't be teaching. So you know this is what? When the concave mirror, and this is convex. Here the center lies inside. Center lies outside. Clear? Now we know formula F is equal to R by 2 for spherical mirror. Everybody remembers? Then we know about mirror formula. We know about mirror formula. What is mirror formula, everybody? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. When the power is equal to 1 by F. Magnification is equal to HI by HO. Height of the image by height of the object is equal to minus V by U. Clear till here? Clear till here? Very simple, simple things. Clear, huh? Chalo. Will I go to the next page, students? Fast, do tell me. Chalo, 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 chalo. Good, good, good. Let's see the next. Now, a word comes pretty often. I don't think so whether you have heard or not. If you have heard, well and good. If not, listen it. Aerial magnification or axial magnification. Anybody heard? What is the formula? Anybody? How do we calculate axial magnification? Chalo, longitudinal you have heard. Longitudinal you have heard. Chalo. So longitudinal magnification happens when you, or angular magnification happens, okay. Angular magnification happens, okay, when you have kept the object on the principal axis. Like let's say this is the, you have kept a bar here on the principal axis. Now when you're talking about the magnification, it is different, okay. So what is the formula for that? Anybody? Anybody knows the formula? We get minus v square by u square, minus v square by u square. Does it ring any bell? Magnification equal to minus v square by u square. Chalo, okay, done. Clear? How you can use that formula also. Minus of v2 minus v1 by u2 minus u1, you can use that also. You can use this also. Chalo. Next, this part is done. Next, refraction. Now, what do you mean by refraction, everybody? I think so you all know. When a ray of light is going from one medium to another, at the interface it bends either towards or away, and that bending of ray of light is known as refraction. Clear? Now, what is the reason? One question comes, what is the reason of this bending? Can anybody tell me why does they bend? The reason of refraction, the reason of refraction. Let's see. So, due to change in medium, what happens? That's not the exact answer, but due to change in medium, what happens? Change in speed of light, critical angle. Basic questions, students, basic questions. See, understand everybody. Basic questions I've asked that whenever you're going from one medium to another, what changes? Wavelength changes, speed of light changes, which changes? See here, understand, let's say this is air and this is water. So we know speed here in this medium is max, and that is C. Speed of light here in water, that is different, that is V. So first thing we can say speed changes. First thing we can say speed changes. What about else? What about else? Now everybody understand this point, very important, very important. See, we know c is equal to nu lambda. C is equal to, everybody knows, nu lambda. Speed of light or speed is equal to frequency and wavelength. Correct. Now tell me kids, very important, which things changes? We got to know that c changes, the speed is changing. If you come to medium 1, if you come to talk about medium 1, speed is different. If we talk about medium 2, speed is different. But what about frequency? What about frequency? Will the frequency also change or will it remain same? Will the frequency change or will it remain same? So will the frequency change? Will it remain same? So you can say, sir, frequency of any light, we know E is equal to h nu. It depends on energy. It depends on energy. So until unless we are changing the source, until unless we are changing the light what we are sending, it doesn't change. So this remains constant. So if this is constant, this is changing, the wavelength also changes. The wavelength also changes. Remains same, might be no. Understand, frequency depends only source of light. Let's say I'm putting a torch light, until unless I change the torch, bring a heavy watt torch or something, whatever happens, even if I put in water, will the energy of the light change? Even if it is going in water, no. Frequency remains the same. Frequency remains the same. What changes? Speed changes and wavelength changes. Speed changes and wavelength changes. Got it, everybody? Got it, everybody? Got it, everyone? Clear, everyone? Anybody doubt? Anybody doubt? Anyone doubt? Do tell me. So keep that in mind. Whenever a light is doing refraction, speed is changing, wavelength is changing, frequency remains the same. Speed, wavelength changing, frequency remains the same. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Chalo. No, I haven't done with you all what you called it as sign convention. Everybody knows sign convention. Everybody knows sign convention. So anything which is above the principal axis is taken as positive, which is below the principal axis taken as negative. If I am measuring something towards the light, towards the direction of light, it is positive. Now let's say everybody, I have to measure focal length. All distances are measured from what? Pole. So from focal, to measure the length of focal length, what we do? From pole we put a line like this. So am I measuring in the direction of light or away? It will be away, so it will be negative. Clear, everyone? It will be negative. Why negative? Everybody got it? Got it, everybody? Pretty simple, students. Any doubt? No? Chalo. So everybody knows this, no? What is focal? What is focus? Rays of light which are parallel. After meeting, they meet through a point, and that point is known as focus. Now a word is there, focal plane. You all know about focal plane. How many people knows about focal plane? Do say it fast. How many people knows about focal plane? Everybody knows about focal plane. Yes, no, fast. चलो एग्जाम्पल देख लो. So sometimes what happens, lines are not parallel to the principal axis, but they are parallel to themselves. They are parallel to themselves. So these kind of rays, they don't meet at focus, but they meet in a plane containing the focus, and that is known as focal plane. Clear? The lines which are parallel, the lines which are parallel to themselves, okay, what they do, they don't pass through the focus, they pass through a plane where the focus lies, called as focal plane. Hi Rishi. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. I'll go for the next page. Let's see everybody. Now you all know about Snell's law. How many people know about Snell's law? What does Snell's law says? सारे का कर दूंगा, टेंशन मत लो. ठीक है, चलो एक बार जल्दी से देख लो. Snell's law, let's say the refractive index of this medium, okay, is mu A. So, and this one is mu B. So mu A into sin I, take the refractive in the index of the medium, multiply with the sine of that, is equal to mu B into sin B. So what you'll get? So what you'll get? Mu A by, sorry, mu B by mu A is equal to what? Sin I by sin R. Clear? So mu B by mu A means refractive index of B with respect to A. Refractive index of B with respect to A. A lot of people, they write it like this also. A mu B. Refractive index of B with respect to A. That is equal to sin I by sin R. Got it everybody? Sin I by sin R. So what I've done, I've taken the refractive index of that medium, multiplied with sine of the angle, another refractive index multiplied with sine of that angle. So mu A into sin I is equal to mu B into sin R. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Now with refractive index we have the formula for speed also linked. So what you can say, refractive index is equal to sin I by sin r, that is 1, and that is also equal to V2 by V1, and that is also equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. Clear bachcho? Anybody has any doubt, do tell me. Anybody has any doubt, do tell me. I'm just basically briefing you about the formula, nothing much in detail, okay? Clear? Chalo. Next, everybody see, we'll talk about TIR. TIR. So we know about denser medium and rarer medium. सर काफी है ना, क्या चीज काफी है बताओ? It's better not to delay, Samir. Even if you start from today, you'll have more better chances, okay, of cracking CET than if you start tomorrow or day after or any other day. So don't start today, also start from now what you have written. That's good. Chalo everybody. So देखो, last 7 to 8 days में whatever the concepts question came till now, past from 2014 we have analyzed, 2014 to 2021. Every concept, whatever the general NCERT and everything of exemplar also I put up. So what I'm giving the concept is NCERT, exemplar plus PYQ. So these three I'm putting from these three, the concepts have been made from these three I'm putting up. If beyond that they're giving something, we can't do anything. But we are doing more than majority. So you should be just, if you're able to retain, you will do damn good. Chalo. Now we know whenever a ray travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends which side? So tell me everybody, if I'm going from denser to rarer to denser, which side it will bend? See, in rarer my speed is more, in denser speed is less. So it will bend towards the normal. Why does it bend? See, you can understand. Here the more particles are far apart because they have what? More speed. The moment here they come, they have less speed, less speed, less speed, less speed. Clear? Now, if I do ulta, denser to rarer, it will bend away from the normal. Denser to rarer, it will bend away from the normal. Chalo. So in TIR, what happens? In TIR, what happens? So we'll talk about first critical angle. Write down what is critical angle. Write down the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence in denser medium the angle of incidence in denser medium for which the angle of refraction in the rarer is 90 degree, for which the angle of refraction in rarer medium is 90 degree. Clear? Clear everyone? Chalo. Next, what we need. So what is happening here is, let's say we are going from denser to rarer. So it went like this. So it bent almost like this. So next time this is some angle I. Next time when I sent like this. So this time almost 90 it did. So this is critical angle. The angle in the denser medium for which the angle of refraction is 90 degree. Denser to rarer, bro. Denser to rarer. Not rarer to denser. See, denser to rarer. Oh, one second. For denser to rarer, what happens? It bends away from the normal. It bends away from the normal. If you do rarer to denser, it won't happen. So the more away it is bending, the more better for us. So angle more than critical angle, what will happen? It will fully bend this side only. Done. Clear? Clear everybody? Anybody doubt here till here? Anybody doubt till here? चलो किसी को भी डाउट है बच्चों? चलो let's see next. Now one more formula we have that refractive index mu is equal to 1 by sin IC is equal to 1 by sin times of critical angle. This formula is also important. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. Clear? Chalo. Now if I talk about, see, refractive index depends on sin IC. Okay. So if my critical angle increases, refractive index will decrease. Max 1 hour, because we are going slow with ray optics. It's very important chapter. So if I increase the critical angle, refractive index will decrease. Now if refractive index decreases, lambda will increase, inversely proportional. Correct. This part very important. Refractive index directly proportional to 1 by sin IC and inversely proportional to 1 by lambda. Clear students? Correct. Write down a small note. Sometimes for the critical angle, they'll not give you value. For glass, it is 42 degree. For water, 48 degree. For diamond, 24 degree. So now everybody answer this question. See, red light. I'll again explain. No worries. See, student, everybody understand. I'll explain. Don't worry. Red light has the maximum wavelength. Means lambda. So if it has max lambda, refractive index will be what? Least. Because what? Inversely proportional. Refractive index and wavelength are inversely proportional. So least. So if refractive index is least, so what will happen? Critical angle value will be more. Critical angle value will be what? Clear. Sin IC value will be more. That's it. Clear, everyone? Now you told me to again explain. See what we told. Refractive index is inversely proportional to 1 by sin IC. And I know refractive index is directly, what is it, inversely proportional to lambda also. So what will happen if I have critical angle bigger? So the sin IC value will be bigger. So mu will go down. And if mu goes down, lambda also goes down. Clear? So if mu goes down, lambda goes up. Clear? Inversely proportional. Let me again explain. See, we have refractive index inversely proportional to sine of IC. And we have refractive index inversely proportional to 1 by wavelength. If this goes up, this goes down, and this goes up. Clear? Clear, everybody? Clear, everybody? Clear, everyone? And these are the values you need to keep in mind. The refractive index of glass 42, what you say, water 48, and diamond 24. It's like a mug up thing. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Chalo, we'll take a break, student. We'll take a break. Don't worry. After this, we'll come and we'll complete. Okay, it's big. Ray optics is big. After this, we'll come and complete. Chalo. Take a break. 10:30 will be there. Okay, 10:30 will be there. Everybody be there 10:30. Correct. Same thing. Inversely proportional, bro. High refractive index, least wavelength. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? So we'll be back. We'll be back in next 30 minutes. We'll be back in next 30 minutes. Whoever wants to sleep, sleep. Whoever wants to eat, eat. Done. Clear? Sure. So students, we are keeping it till here for now. We'll be meeting you again at 10:30. Till then, work hard, be good, and see you in the next class. Chalo.